Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com with our latest card kit, Reveal and Inspiration, and this kit is called Let's Celebrate. The contents of this kit is so great, and I'm going to start you off with our 6x8 stamp set. This is also titled Let's Celebrate, and it's all full of birthday images and sayings. You have a banner at the top with flags. You also have some balloons, cakes, and really nice large greetings that you can color in or stamp and emboss on colored cardstock. This is one of those sets that can be used all year round and for any gender. Next up is the Minted Florals Embossing folder, and this is a folder that has flowers through the whole A2 size. So how to use this is you open it up and you can put your paper right inside and close that and then run that through your die cut machine. I've cut mine from holographic cardstock so that you can see how this embellishes the paper with a nice deep etched design. Not included in this kit, but available in our store, is a matching set of dies, so you can cut out each of the flowers individually. Included in this kit is the Groovy Happy Birthday. This is a two-piece die that you can clip apart. Then you get your individual letters and the shadow surrounding the happy birthday. You can also keep these together without clipping them apart to get all your individual pieces. Up next, you'll get a package of disco ball sequins, and these are nice brightly colored. And you'll also get a triangle tray from Simon Says Stamp. These trays are super handy to keep your sequins in when you're working. And it makes it really easy to return your sequins to the plastic bag by just using the tip of a corner and pouring those in and sealing your bag. The papers for this kit are 6x8 and they're by Vicki Boutin with a rainbow theme. So we have paint splotches in all different colors, some light blue on dark stripes, also a rainbow, and a black with a pattern. There's also a teal page with little tiny yellow flowers, and then a sunrise above an ocean. There's also a nice black and white striped and ink-blotted edge, along with butterflies on a blue background, a green sheet with a grassy looking image and a bold circle design in multicolors. Also a elephant ear design in a series of blues with beautiful mixed colors and clouds on the backside. A frame with palm leaves coming up from the bottom and the backside with some oranges. Then there's a ledger paper with some rainbow paint on the side and a really nice dark deep blue with writing. There is a crosshatch blue design and some really bold flowers on the other side. Some yellow suns that resemble polka dots, and then some of these panels that you can cut up and put onto your cards. There's pineapples, palm leaves, and tags. These are 6x8 and they're perfect to cut in half for your A2 cards. We're also including a sheet of 6x6 Simon Says Stamp glitter paper. You'll either get a pink or a blue in your kit. We're also including two of the Simon Says Stamp A2 envelopes. The first one is white and the second is metallic dull pink, and they both have that peel away adhesive, so there's no lick 'em to stick 'em. You'll get 4 card stocks. You'll get the Simon Says Stamp dull pink 100-pound, island blue 100-pound, and then a 110-pound Nina white cardstock. And finally, you'll get a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of our holographic rainbow cardstock. And that's it for the reveal, and up next I have some inspiration from our designers. Cindy Norberg used the rainbow paper, stamped and cut out her happy birthday and colored those in with markers using an ombre effect. Kathy Zelsky created a clean and simple card by stamping onto some white cardstock and then masking and doing a little bit of ink blending with colored in flags at the top. I created a card using the embossing folder to create my background and also the holographic paper with the dies and also the groovy happy birthday. Kelly created her card by cutting a panel with a circle and then adding the cake over the heart pattern paper. And finally, Nina created her card on the rainbow paper and used the stamp set to stamp some splatters and also used that groovy happy birthday with the glitter paper. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Let's Celebrate. Be sure to check the links below to see how to purchase this kit and also link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.